Welcome to Easy Higher Mathematics.
Is integral over C f of z by z minus a the whole square dz. So what is the formula? Here a is a pole of order 2. Then the formula is 2 pi I into 2 pi by I into d by dz of f of z at z is equal to a. We take this a only. So the previous types integral over c f of z by z minus a only. This s minus a has no power, that is power 1. So in generally we can write that is f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi I by n factorial into d power n by dz power n f of z at z is equal to a. So here power is 2, that is we can write 2 pi I divided by 1 factorial, 1 less than 1 less of the power, that is 2 pi I divided by 1 factorial d power 1 by dz power 1. So this is the formula. In general, integral over c f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi I divided by n factorial into d power n dz power n f of z at z is equal to a. So let us do one problem. Solution. This is the question. Integral over c z by z minus 1 z minus 2 the whole square dz. So here while checking that what? If you put z is equal to 1, what will be the answer? 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1, modulus of minus 1 is equal to 1. It is greater than 1 by 2. That means this lies outside. If you put z is equal to 2 here, what? 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. That is less than 1 by 2. That is this 2 lies inside. This 2 lies inside. So this is the only one pole lies inside. Its power is equal to 2 greater than 1. So therefore we can use that formula. So solution. What will be the solution? Solution. Let first step denominator is equal to 0. Denominator is equal to 0. That implies z is equal to 1 or z minus 1 equal to 0. Z minus 2 is equal to 0. That is z is equal to 1. Z is equal to 2. So the next step is you take this c. When z is equal to 1, mod z minus 2 is equal to mod 1 minus 2 is equal to mod minus 1 is equal to 1. That is greater than 1 by 2. Our given value is equal to 1 by 2. Our calculated value is equal to 1. So given value, calculator value is greater than the given value. That means lies outside. Therefore, z is equal to 1 lies outside. See. Next one, when z is equal to 2. So what is the C? Mod z minus 2 is equal to mod 2 minus 2 equal to mod 0 equal to 0. This is less than 1 by 2. That means calculated value is equal to 0. Our given value is equal to 1 by 2. Calculated value is less than given value. Therefore, z is equal to 2 lies inside C. So the first model and the second model, these are only one singular point. This function is only one singular point inside C. Here also only one singular point. So that is lies inside C. So here z is equal to 2 lies inside. It has power more than 1. So we can apply the formula. So this is equal to what? Therefore, integral over C z by z minus 1 into z minus 2 the whole square d z is equal to, this can be written as as in the previous one, this is lies outside. So we take this is as z minus 1 divided by z minus 2 the whole square dz. So now this can be written as we have, what is the formula we have? Integral over c f of z by z minus a the whole square dz is equal to 2 pi I into d by dz of f of z at z is equal to a. So what is a? A is the point which is lies inside C. So which is lies inside C? A is equal to 2. So this is equal to integral over C f of z by z minus 2 the whole square dz is equal to 2 pi I into d by dz of z by z minus 1. What is A? The inside point is 2. That is, inside point is 2. That is equal to 2. So that is equal to 2 pi I into denominator square, differentiation denominator square, denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into denominator of differentiation at z is equal to 2. So that is equal to 2 pi I into, substitute the values, 2 minus 1 minus 2 divided by 2 minus 1 the whole square. So that is equal to 2 pi I into 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 2 divided by minus 1 the, plus 1 the whole square. So that is equal to minus 2 pi I. So this is our answer. So the next problem, integral over c sin this to 6z divided by z minus pi by 6 the whole cube dz, where c is mod z is equal to 1. So here only one value, let the denominator is equal to 0, we can get z is equal to pi by 6 only. So z is equal to pi by 6 is a whole, but the power is equal to 3, that is more than 1. So we can apply this second formula. So solution, let denominator is equal to 0, let z minus pi by 6 the whole cube is equal to 0. That is z minus pi by 6 is equal to 0. That is z is equal to, this implies z is equal to pi by 6. What is pi? That is 3.14 divided by 6. So that is equal to 0.5 something you can get. So it is definitely less than, we can write the value, don't need to divide. So this is less than 1, because 6 by 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. So this is less than 1. Once again, you take the denominator value is equal to 0. From there, z is equal to pi by 6. You know pi is equal to 3.14 by divided by 6. That is less than 1. Therefore, the calculated value is less than given value. Which given value? This given value. That is, calculated value is less than given value. Z is equal to, therefore, z is equal to pi by 6 lies inside C. Therefore, we have integral over C f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi I by n factorial into d power n by dz power n of f of z at z is equal to a. So this is the formula. So what is a here? Here a is equal to pi by 6. So this is what is n here? N plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, so what is n plus 1 is equal to 3? That is n is equal to 2. Okay. And a is equal to what? A is equal to here pi by 6. So substitute this formula. Therefore, integral over c sin raised to 6 z divided by z minus pi by 6 whole power 3 dz is equal to, our value is equal to n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. and a is equal to pi by 6 up to here, that is 2 pi I by 2 factorial into d square by d z square of, what is f of z? So f of z is equal to, so that also we can write here, f of z is equal to sin raised to 6z. So that is sin raised to 6 z at z is equal to pi by 6. So now this is equal to what? First we apply the formula, first derivative. So that is equal to pi I divided by pi I. First we apply the, so this is equal to pi I into d by d is the first derivative. That is n, that is 6 sin raised to z. Z is equal to, sorry, sin raised to. So from this pi I is equal to pi, sorry, from this pi I into d by ds, the first derivative, that is 6 sin raised to 5 z into sin differentiation cos z. Z is equal to pi by 6. After the differentiation only you should apply the limit. So one more differentiation, that is pi I into, here 6 is a constant. Once again we can apply, this is one formula, this is one function, this is one function, so we can use the product rule. First function into cos z minus sin z plus second function into, once again power formula, 5 into sin z raised to 4, nx raised to n minus 1, then sin z cos z, comma z is equal to pi by pi I sin raised to 5, or here one sin, that is equal to sin raised to 6 pi by 6, not pi by 3, pi by 6. There is one minus, so here sin power 1, here 5, that is sin raised to 6, plus here one 5 cos z, cos square z, again sin raised to 4z, that is z is equal to pi by 6, again sin raised to 4 pi by 6. Okay, now simplify. So that is equal to 6 pi I, here minus this value is equal to sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 power 6 plus 5 by 2 into this value cos 30 degree. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 the whole square into 1 by 2 power 4. So let us write the values. What are the values? Sin 30 degree is equal to, or sin pi by 6, it is better. Pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. So cos pi by 6 is equal to root 3 by 2. Now simplifying, that is equal to 6 pi I. This is 2 raised to 2, that is 4. 4 into 4 into 4, that is 1 by 64 plus here 5 into root and 3, root square and cancel, that is 3 by 4 into, this is what? 2 square, that is 16. So that is equal to 6 pi I minus 1 by 64 plus 15 by 5 into 3, 15 by 16 into 4, 64. So that is equal to 6 pi I into 14 by 64. So that is equal to, here we can cut by 2, that is equal to, but that is 3, here what? 32, here 7, here 16. So 21 pi I divided by 16. So this is our required answer. So they evaluate f of a is equal to integral over c 3z square plus 7z plus 1 divided by z minus a dz, where c is mod z is equal to 2 and find f of first one f of 3, second one f of 1, third one f dash of 1 minus I, fourth one f double dash of 1 minus I. So first you take, what is the first condition? First one, you take denominator value is equal to 0. Let z minus a equal to 0, that is z is equal to a. So by, this is a simple pole because the power of z minus a is 1. So it is a z is equal to a is a simple pole. Is a simple pole. Pole of power 1. Then we can apply the Cauchy's integral formula. Therefore, by Cauchy's integral formula, this value is equal to f of or not this f of integral over c 3z square plus 7z plus 1 divided by z minus a is equal to dz is equal to, what is the value? 2 pi I into this is z minus a equal to 0, so we leave this one, so take this one. So this is capital F of a. Once again, by Cauchy's integral formula, integral over c 3z square plus 7z plus 1 by z minus a dz is equal to 2 pi I into f of a, where f of z is equal to capital F of z is equal to 3z square plus 7z plus 1. But this value is equal to what? This is f of a. That is f of a equal to 2 pi I into 3a square plus 7a plus 1. 2 pi I into 3a square plus 7a plus 1. Usually we take f of a, small f of a. Already f of a is taken, so we take capital F of a. Now, first one. What is first one? So this is true only when if a lies inside C. If a lies outside, this value is equal to 0. A lies inside, then this integral value is equal to this one. So what is first one? First one is f of 3. So for first one, we take a equal to 3. Take a equal to 3. Now, this condition we can get, or this value we can get only when this a lies inside C. So, check whether this a equal to 3 lies inside or not. Therefore, what is C? C is mod Z is equal to 2. Therefore, mod Z is equal to mod 3 equal to 3. This is our calculated value, but the given value is 2, so it is greater than 2. If the calculated value is greater than given value, this a lies outside. Therefore, a lies outside C. If this point lies, if the pole lies outside C, we can use the Cauchy's integral theorem, not formula. If lies outside, we use Cauchy's integral theorem. So, by Cauchy's integral theorem, integral over C 3z square plus 7z plus 1 by z minus a is equal to 0. Because here a equal to 3, so z is equal to 3 lies outside, that value is equal to 0. Therefore, f of small f of 3 is equal to 0. So that is the first one. For second one, we take a is equal to 1. Take a is equal to 1. We proceed with all these things. That is, mod z is equal to mod 1 is equal to 1. This is our calculated way. From where we get mod z? That is c. C is mod z. So in that we said we substitute the point there is equal to 1. This is less than our given value 2. Therefore 1 lies inside C. Therefore, by equation, so you take this is equation number 1. By 1 integral over C 3z square plus 7z plus 1 dz by z minus a equal to 2 pi I into f of e. So that is equal to 2 pi I into, what is a here? A is equal to 1. That is, this is capital F. That is capital F of 1. That is 2 pi I into, what is capital F of z? This one. That is 3 into 1 plus 7 into 1 plus 1. So here 3 plus 7, 10, 11. That is equal to 22 pi I. So this is our second part. Now third one, derivative. So third one, take from 1 or you take this is equation number 2. From 2 f dash of a equal to 2 pi I into 6a plus 7. Actual differentiation with respect to a. So a square 2a plus 7a differentiation 1, that is equal to 7. Now also this also exists only when a lies inside. So what we have to find? We have to find the f dash of 1 minus I. So let a equal to 1 minus I. Therefore mod z is equal to mod 1 minus I equal to root of 1 square plus minus 1 the whole square equal to root 2. What is root 2 value? This is always less than 2. Therefore a equal to 1 minus I lies inside C. A equal to 1 minus I lies inside C. So here what? What is f dash of A? F dash of A is equal to substitute the values. 2 pi I into, what is A value? 1 minus I. 6 into 1 minus I plus 7. So that is equal to 2 pi I into 6 minus 6i plus 7. So that is 2 pi I into 13 minus 6i. So that is equal to here pi into 26i minus 12i square. That is pi into 26i minus I square value minus 1, that is equal to 12. So that is pi into 12 plus 26i. So this is our third part. Now fourth one. What is fourth one? Fourth one is f double dash of 1 minus I. So for f dash of 1 minus I, so you take this is equation number 3. From 3, We take from 3, f double dash of a equal to, you differentiate once again with respect to a, that is 2 pi I into 6a differentiation is 6, 7 differentiation is 0. That is equal to 12 pi I. And f double dash of 1 minus x. So this value is taken as a. Since already we proved, since 1 minus I lies inside C, f double dash of a is equal to 12 pi I. From this equation 6 into 12. So we can write 12 pi I. That is f double dash of 1 minus I is equal to 12 pi I, because a is equal to what? 1 minus I. So that is f double dash of 1 minus I is equal to 12 pi I. So this is our required answer.